What's up, y'all? It's Doc Robinson. I'm back with another video. See, I got my little one with me today, but that's not what today's video is about. Today's video is about this project me and my dad got going on. I can show y'all better than I can tell you, though. Let me go ahead and show y'all. Alright, so me and my pops are working on this cargo van that we had in the backyard.
What's up, Doc?
What's up, Dad? Right now, he changing the brakes up.
Changing brakes and rotors.
Brakes and rotors. I'm glad I missed that part.
Yeah,
I just got here. He been working on it. I just got here though.
Yeah, you missed that part, but you pulling that bumper. You're gonna pull that off and replace that.
Bumper got a dent in it.
Yeah, I ran into a tree.
Got no tags. We gotta get tags for it. Get that light fixed up there. Need new tires. Tires look good, but they really bald. They just look like that because they mud terrain. Dent right here. I ain't gonna lie, I did that one morning about 3 years ago. I was tired. Back right into the van. It got some mileage on it.
Well, you just gonna run by that.
It got a lot of mileage on it actually because
No, I'm talking about that.
I already told him.
They just got the thing wrapped. Look at that brand new rotor for that thing.
Nah, but this thing it got a bunch of mileage on it. Me and my pop, we done been coast to coast, from Georgia all the way to Reno. Y'all see that? USA Boxing, way back in 2018. That's 4 years ago. We done had it before that. But yeah, this what me and my pop's gonna be working on for the next few weeks.
Oh, it ain't gonna take that long if you go to work. He got me today, y'all. Supposed to do these brakes, but I got on up and knocked it out. Sorry.
Yep.
I'm gonna try to hurry up so you can go on out on your date tonight. Ain't that right, Hart? Boy got me that ultimate gift over there on the shoulder. Yeah, man. We gonna have it up and ready. Well, it's already running. We just gonna go all the way through it.
Yeah.
You got them dents and stuff you gotta get out.
Yeah, but
Interior good on it. Need to be clean a little bit. Put you some speakers and stuff in there if you want to.
everything good though. Yeah, y'all.
Remember that?
Next few weeks. He said it ain't gonna take that long. I think it's gonna take a few weeks.
Nah, man. Remember that?
Yeah. But every time we work on it, I'm gonna try to update y'all with a little vlog. All right, y'all stay tuned.